Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, in this video, I'm gonna do demo about my new application using Codular, which is, the name is Find My Age. So, this application work with your year. Like, for example, you forget your age, maybe. And then, but you know that you born in 2008, maybe 2008, and then you just use this app. Yes, use this app, and then this app will give you your age, like you are teenager, you are adult, you are kids, you are children, like that. So yeah, now let's see from the UI first. The UI is very simple. This is the FMA, it means find my age. The screen one, yes. And then this orange, this text box to typing here, and then uh, click the button, calculate my age. And then in here it's blank, but in the app it's not. I mean, it will be, there is the image like 2008. 2008 is and then there is the picture, you are enter teenager, like that. Yeah, maybe that's all for the UI. Then now we'll move to the app. This, you can see it, right? You can see it. Yeah, find my age. So I will demo to this when we, oh sorry, okay, when we not uh, enter anything in the text box. So when we directly click, it will be show danger, and then and then there is the return, enter your birth year. Okay, and then we just type it. For example, this three case, so I just 2000 from the first case is children. So 2000 children is call from 2000 up for 2014. Yeah, 2014 more up. So I will pay 2016 here, and then to my age, and then the keyboard directly gone, and then this, you have entered, and you have entered the age of a child. Then the second case is teenager. He's is below 2014, so it's mean 2013 maybe, or 2008. 2008, yeah, 2008. Enter here, boom, will be changed. We have entered to the age of teenager. And the last case, it's mean adult. We just put 1987. Okay, and then we click, you have entered the age of adult. Okay, so yeah, maybe that's all from my age, from my app. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.